Hello everyone and welcome back to Hartman Technology. For the past few weeks, we've been working on an assignment called a Paseo. A Paseo is a web all about you. Today, when you're finished with your Paseo, you'll record a screencast of yourself telling about yourself from your Paseo. After I view them, I'll post them on a site called Padlet. So let's begin our work today. Here we are back in Google Classroom. To open up your Paseo, go to Classwork. In Classwork, find the Paseo activity and open up the clipboard. There you should see your link to the Paseo. Go ahead and open it up. When your Paseo is opened, it should look something like this. You still might need to finish your Paseo. To do that, keep adding shapes by going to the Shapes button. You can add any of the shapes that you would like. Make sure that you're able to write inside of them. When you have your shape selected, you can always change the color of it by going to the paint bucket. To change what's inside of the shape, double-click on it. Go to the font, the size. You can change the bold, italicized, and underlined, and also the color. If you have any questions, let me know, or go back and watch other previous videos. What we want to do next is do your animations. We want to make sure all of your Paseo bubbles are animated. To do that, go to Slide. Down to Change Transition. You'll see the list of your transitions here on the side. Click on something that's not already animated. Go down to Add Animation. It automatically goes to Fade In. To change it, click Fade In and select something else. You can change the speed by pulling at the dial. Then click Play. Click your spacebar to make the Paseos come in. Everything should be animated. When everything is animated, you're ready to record your Paseo in a site called Padlet. Let's go back to Google Classroom. Go back to the stream. On the stream, I have a new announcement. It says, record a screencast of your finished Paseo on Padlet. Use the link below. Click the link. This is a Padlet wall. To write on the wall, you're going to click the plus sign. The title will be your first name. Writing something, you'll write the sentence, watch my Paseo below. To make a screencast, go to the three dots. Choose the purple Screen. This says record your screen. It says you can record for up to 5 minutes. Recording will stop automatically at 5 minutes. None of your Paseos should be 5 minutes. They should be less than a minute. Let's go ahead and hit the arrow. It's going to ask you what you want to record. Go to the Chrome tab. You're going to choose your Google Slides. When you click on Google Slides, be ready to hit Present. That's going to start your slideshow. Click Google Slides, then click Share. Up at the top, you'll hit Present. Go through your Paseo by introducing yourself and reading all about you. Steeler fan, teacher. Hopefully you think that I'm kind. I like to make robots. I am helpful and smart. I like to ride a bicycle. And I'm married and I have 2 daughters. Their names are Della and Helena. When you're finished with your Paseo, you'll go back to the tab that says Paseos. Then you'll click Stop. I need to view the Paseos before they get posted. But what you'll do is you'll review it, and then you'll post it. It might take a few minutes to post, and you won't see it there on your wall until I watch it and post it from my end. If you have any questions for this, let me know and I'll be around to help you out. Otherwise, try to finish your Paseo today and record it here in Padlet. Thanks a lot.